Okay, this is the second series of Black Label series from LG. This will continue the Black Label series from chocolate phone. You know, this is feature. The main feature is it is made of full metal, not plated. This is a full metal slide phone, and then the special feature is a scroll key for easy access of menus with your finger. And then on the back we have the Schneider Krasnock confirmed certified 2.0 megapixel camera pixel. It supports micro SD, which is inside in here. And then as you can see, it is a mirror type LCD. So when the phone's off, you could even look at yourself through the mirror. It is a well-made, solid phone. This is our strategy model of this year, and supports SD slot, MP3, H.264 video streaming, and we have a 3G version of this phone coming out in March.